Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of gold USD in front of us right now, and if you have watched my previous video on gold, then probably you know it very well that there is a fall coming on the chart of gold USD because we were discussing about the chart of DXY in detail. We were discussing about the chart of DXY in detail for the last couple of days when DXY was falling. I clearly mentioned on my previous video that DXY was in downtrend, but DXY has reached the support and we may see some recovery on the chart of US dollar. Yes, to be honest, I was hoping that dollar would be going up, but I didn't expect that dollar would be recovering so sharply. I was hoping that yes, there would be some selling on the gold, but gold would able to take support at this level, 1808 level. But yesterday dollar became so strong, so bullish that gold ultimately lost the support zone here. The support zone of 1808 is no longer valid, and right now you can see that gold is trading at 1795. And if you look at the chart of dollar index here, then you can see that dollar index is still going up, and it looks like that dollar will remain bullish for the next couple of hours. And right now it looks like a trend reversal, and this was the main reason that I told you to stay careful, to be careful yesterday, because this level of support was very important for US dollar. Previously, when there was a sharp fall on US dollar, this was the level that provided support to the market, and again the same level provided support to the market, and this is the main reason we are seeing such bullishness on US dollar. And as we all know, when dollar goes up, gold goes down, and when dollar goes down, gold goes up. Right now dollar is going up, so there is a selling on the chart of gold. So what should be a strategy for gold then? So first and foremost, I would like to tell you that the trend line, the trend line which was acting as a dynamic support for the market is no longer valid. Therefore, we do not need the trend line anymore. And apart from this, the resistance, the ultimate resistance of 1832 level, 1832 level that gold failed to cross here on 3rd September is also not required right now because the current market price is far away. So right now we just need to focus on 2 points, mainly 2 price levels and this level. So first and foremost, 1808 level. 1808 level was the support for the market, and therefore this will be the next resistance for the market. So 1808 is the next resistance for the market. So in case, listen to me carefully, in case market starts going up from here, then definitely 1808 will be acting as the next resistance. So if you see market struggling near the 1808 level and market going down or price reversing from 1808 level, then you can short the market because 1808 level is the new resistance. Clear? And on the other hand, 1790 is the support for the market right now. If you have watched my other videos, previous videos on gold USD, then you can easily recognize this line because I have been talking about 1790 for last 2-3 weeks, because 1790 was previously a very important support for the market, then it became resistance, and right now 1790 is back into the scene again. So the next support is 1790. But one thing that we need to focus here is that after this kind of selling pressure on gold and bullishness on the chart of USD, you can see that though market is standing near this support here, but market does not have the strength to go up. Therefore I'll suggest you, or I'll recommend you to avoid buying, avoid buying on gold. because because the best position to buy is always at the support. And you can see that though gold is standing at support, but it still does not have the required strength right now, because the selling pressure was so high. The number of buyers are still very less, and buyers does not have the power to take the price upward. As a result, if possible, my dear friends, do not go for buy at 1790 level, though we have a support here. And if the bullishness on the dollar continues, then there is a good possibility that market will break the support. Market will break the support of 1790. Market will break this support and market will go down. And if there is a severe heavy selling on the chart of gold, if you see market breaking the support of 1790 level, wait for 4 hours and see how the price is reacting. If you see that after 4 to 6 hours selling pressure is still there in the market is still under the heavy dominance of sellers, then you can short the market below 1790. So if market goes up, short the market at 1808 level, and if market crosses the 1790 level, you can short the market. Though market is standing at support right now at 1794, but still do not go for buy, because right now you can clearly see on the chart that buyers does not have the strength to take the price upward. So these are the two trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold USD. If you think that I'm wrong, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.